Hello everyone, welcome again on YouTube channel of Developers and Products Club on NIT-A. Myself from Saini and I will discuss the problem B of TP Titans 3.0 which is sponsored by Algorithm. And the problem is coffee with crush. In this problem, we are given three integers x, y and n. N is the total number of days and x is the cost of morning coffee at Gargi Amul and y is the cost of evening coffee at R&D Amul. Okay, so every day he has 2 times coffee, okay, evening and morning, so total cost for a day, okay, a day will be x plus y. Okay, now the total cost for a day is x plus y. Okay, now total cost for total n days, so we will simply multiply n. Okay. Yeah, so this is your total cost for coffee for n days. Okay. Now if you take this example, here n is equal to 10 and x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4, so total cost for a day is 3 plus 4 which is 7. Okay, now we want to total cost for n days, so we will simply multiply it by n. Here you can see n is equal to 10, so we will multiply it 10 which is nothing but 70. Okay, this is a logic for this problem. So let's take the code. First I take input x, y and n. Okay, and I simply print n star x plus y. Okay, so this is very basic problem. So this is the code for this problem. Thank you everyone.